Yes, YouTube made it predict it, and it started to happen. And the headlines that you see in there, yeah, it is correct. Tina Clayton defeats Brianna Williams, and this happened on Saturday over the weekend at the Velocity Fest at the National Stadium. Tina Clayton running alongside Brianna Williams in the second final. I think it was a three-leg final. But Clayton demonstrating that she's ready for the big time, ready to earn her spot on Jamaica's women's sprint team destined for Hungary this summer. She has taken down one of the quote-unquote biggish enough guns on the Jamaican women's sprint team. Of course, Brianna Williams is a really gold medalist from the Tokyo Olympics. And so, this victory for Tina Clayton is a massive feather in her cap. It is important too that she won by a good 5 to 6 meters. And Brianna Williams, obviously, both running the first 200 meters outdoor for them outdoor season, Brianna finished third. Now, it is my view that Tina is ready for the big time, that she is going to earn a spot. We know that the big three, Shelley, Elaine, and Sherika Jackson, barring any injury, they are going to be sure pick. In fact, the team to Hungary, Shelley already has a bye because she's the reigning world champion. So there are 3 available slots, and I'm pretty certain that Tina Clayton is going to earn one of those regular slots. So, but it certainly is going to be a challenge for the selectors to determine where the team is coming from. I believe that Tina has demonstrated enough that she's ready for the big time under Frano guidance. I believe that she is going to probably give us a reminder of what Usain Bolt did in Beijing in 2008. Not necessarily, in terms of a world record, but certainly demonstrate that she is ready for the big time. Let me hear one thing. If you don't agree with me, if you don't agree, let me see your feedback in the comment section. But do you think that this is a fluke, or is it that she's certainly demonstrating that she's ready? Is it a case where Brianna Williams early in the season, so this is just a sort of warmers, if you will, just to get herself ready and in good nick? Whatever it is, though, it's certainly going to be a very significantly challenging period for these female sprinters. And of course, as I said from the beginning, Jamaica has an embarrassment of riches in terms of talent. And this is just one more demonstration of that. Of course, there's a slew of other youngsters in the wings who are equally talented. It also tells you that sprinting, as far as the Jamaican woman is concerned, is in good nick. But let me hear your feedback. Of course, if you have not yet done so, this is a good time to, subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, just click the like button. Feel free, share with your friends. But more importantly, what I love to get your feedback in the comment section. And while you're at it, I'm going to invite you to visit our website at yardmedia.com and yardabroad.com. Take a look at some of the videos that we have, some of the merchandise that we have on our site as well. But more importantly, if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel so that when the next video drop, boom, you're the first one will know what's going on. But let me get your feedback. Respect.